What's happening, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ewar. So guys, today's video is basically about this hair, this hairstyle I have on right now. How I got my hair in this sleek low, ponytail. My hair is really thick, 4C hair girl, and how I use my wig, as a ponytail. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. So I'm gonna be using my spray bottle, leave-in conditioner, of course, and some gel, eco styler gel, and my got2be styling gel. You can have your hair stretched out before doing this hairstyle, or blown out if you want, depending on what you like. But my hair was in cornrows before, so I just took it out, so it's sort of stretched but not really stretched. Anyway, it's still kind of shrunken, but yeah. So I'm just gonna part my hair in 2 sections and just start moisturizing first before I start applying the gel. I packed my hair in 2 sections because my hair is really full and thick. When you don't have straight hair, of course your hair is going to be thick, and it's not going to just go slick to the back. So I'm just going to moisturize it very well and just brush it out. If your hair is shorter than mine, I would advise that you part it into more than 2 sections, maybe 4, so it's easier for you. So everything I'm going to do in this video, just do the same thing but with 4 sections and not 2 sections. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying my eco styler gel. I'm gonna start at the bottom and just slick press the back. Just gonna keep applying it until it's really flat, and as you can see, it's getting flat. I'm gonna do the same thing to the top, to the the front part. So just gonna do that, and I'm gonna pack that first, and I'm gonna start with the front. Just gonna do the same thing I did at the back. I'm gonna part the front in 2 sections because I'm gonna do my hair in like a center part. So put it in 2 sections. I'm gonna start moisturizing with my leave-in conditioner. Make sure I leave down the information below so you know all the stuff I use. I'm just gonna brush it and put the gel like so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my got2be glue for the front, because the front needs more intense gel than eco styler gel. I mean, that's why I feel. So I use that in the front and not at the back. So now I'm gonna go back to the back, take out the bun and join that front bit to the back. Just gonna keep pressing it. The more you do that, the better. Then I'm gonna pack that and just go back to the other half of the front and just do the same thing all over again. Now I'm just gonna take everything again and just start brushing everything together. So I decided to do a little baby hair before I packed everything together, the front bit and the back together. Doing it this way, the fact that I sectioned everything this way, it makes everything easier to lay and slick. That slick press that you want, it just gives you that. So everything is looking secure, but I felt like I needed to go back in one more time with my got2be styling gel on everything. So I'm just gonna press that on top of it again, and also gonna use like a styling spray. I think it's spritz spray. I'll leave down the information below, but I'm just gonna use that to just give that last minute touch to the hair before I then put a scarf on top of it. guys, this is how it's looking. I just went ahead and did some makeup. I was gonna do like a simple nude makeup. I don't know how that happened, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I get my wig in a ponytail. So I just take my regular closure wig and I fold it like so. I just fold it into 4 parts and then I tie a rubber band around it. It's better to use a black band, but I don't know where my black headband was, so yeah. Anyway, so I just take that and then I tie it on my little low bun at the back and flip it. As you can see, it's really it's latched on perfectly, but not so perfectly. I'm gonna still secure it with pins. Guys, that's how it's looking, but I felt like it was still showing a little pink, so I decided to tie one thick strand around it. So guys, look at it. I love it so much. I hope you guys love it as much as I do, because I'm loving this. I'm gonna be rocking this hairstyle for a while. I'm just gonna be changing it and switching it up, but yeah. So guys, that's it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and yes, let me know in the comments if you're going to be trying this out. Okay, bye.